Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I wanted to show you my foil confetti rose gold pop socket. I love this pop socket. Let me show you why. So here's how it looks. It was funny because when I first got this, my husband actually thought it was going to be rough because the glitter looks so clear. But of course, it has this nice, smooth acrylic coating on the top. But it is beautiful. I mean, this gold foil is really bright, really shiny, and the pop socket itself works really well. You just pop it out, then you can put your fingers there, hold your phone. It doesn't hurt your hand at all. And I also like that it makes it easier to watch movies. You can just, even on a soft surface like a couch. It's cool too that if you push it in and then you twist it, you can actually take it off and you can trade this out with another pop socket top. So this stays on. It's super, super heavy duty adhesive. It's not gonna come off easily. When you're ready to trade it out, you just line it up and then you just twist it back on. There you go, you'll hear it click into place. And you have an amazing pop socket that works really well, adds some bling to your phone, and is just very practical. It makes holding your phone so much easier. So highly recommend this. And that's my point of view.